You may be familiar with Vietnam's iconic Ha Bay, but let me introduce you to Lan Ha Bay. We'll be exploring Lan Ha Bay from Cat Ba Island. In this video, we'll explore 3 ways to see Lan Ha Bay, and then we'll end with some tips on where to eat, stay, and party on Cat Ba Island. The most popular activity from Cat Ba is a boat tour of Lan Ha Bay. You have 2 options, a day tour or a sunset tour. They're very similar in structure. Here's a pretty normal schedule for each one.
We are about to go on a sunset tour from Cat Ba Island.
Bioluminescent phytoplankton, right?
Oh yeah! That should be cool. Sunset should be good.
Oh god, why do I always do the thumbs up?
Here we go.
We start the tour by moving through the floating fishing villages. People actually live full-time on the water and only recently got access to electricity and internet. The villages are beautiful, but they got us thinking about the recent typhoon and what that would have felt like out on the water.
What do you think, girl? Pretty?
Stunning.
Stunning.
Our first stop on the sunset tour is a hike to a viewpoint on Monkey Island, or at least for Gus it was.
They also told us to be extremely careful with our phone because they will steal it, the monkeys, because they know they'll get food and then they'll give your phone back. We also got these sticks to defend ourselves just in case a monkey gets aggressive and attacks us. So the idea is you don't hit the monkeys, but you like tap the ground next to them basically. Hannah absolutely hated the monkeys everywhere, so she, after about 2 minutes, she went back to the boat. So I hope her view is as good as mine is. So we climbed up these rocks. They're really sharp. I'll show you in a second. Right, so it's these rocks that we've been climbing over. You can tell how sharp they are. Maybe this is a better view to see how sharp the rocks are. This view is crazy. The sun is like super bright red. This is pretty spectacular. So that's where Hannah is. I don't know if you can see her. I can't see her on the screen, but hope you're having a good time. I am.
Oh yeah, I couldn't do any vlogging because you had my phone.
I know. Okay, so we're heading into a cave to go and see some bioluminescent algae.
Phytoplankton.
Oh yes, but bioluminescent
phytoplankton.
Phytoplankton. That's the one. So the moon is too bright, and you see there's a bit of sparkling when you paddle, which is cool, but you can't see it on camera, unfortunately. This is a fun experience with the naked eye, guys, but on camera,
Guys, can you turn off the lights?
Most people will go on an overnight cruise through the bay. There are an overwhelming number of companies to choose from. Our friends did this company, and it looks like they had a good time.
Okay, good morning everyone. It's day 3 on Katba Island. We're in the harbor. We're waiting for our little ferry to take us to a private island where we'll spend the night. We'll meet back up with the friends that I made on Hajang. And yeah, let me show you what it looks like.
The One is a hostel chain that opened a resort-style private island that is somehow still affordable for backpackers. I'm talking $6 a night affordable.
Welcome to our secret island escape. Well, bon appetit, huh? Can't put that in the vlog.
No, we do have to put that in the
Okay.
Food and drink on the island are expensive, but at least breakfast is free.
We came to the Paradise Hotel. Look at this incredible view. Let me get my face out of the frame.
Prices are a bit high here as can be expected, but Gus said this was his favorite chicken burger in all of Vietnam. We love the avocado banh mi and celery. Oasis Bar is really the only place to party on Cat Ba. Buffalo Hostel even has a free shuttle there and back.
This is the view from our hotel room tonight. Just unreal. Look at that sunset.
The One hostel is like a nice hotel while still being affordable for backpackers. We were loving the rooftop jacuzzi.
I think my camera's smudgy ass.
Buffalo is great for solo travelers and is more of a party hostel vibe. I stayed there last year. Getting to Cat Ba from Hanoi requires a 3-hour bus journey, a 20-minute ferry, and then a 30 to 45-minute bus ride to your hostel. Daiichi is the best travel company I've booked with in Vietnam. The bus is comfy and they're so communicative. I get seasick, so I didn't love the ferry, but it's honestly not bad at all. We hope you can visit this beautiful island and stunning bay. Follow us for more Southeast Asia content. Some real American barbecue.